the films can make films.
Will you tell me some of your cinematography influences, like director or films?
I think all the filmmakers, they have some filmmakers or movies that inspire to tell the stories, and I believe the films can make films. If there is no films or previous cinema before us, we couldn't make new films. Of course, I love Youssef Chahine, the Egyptian filmmaker, one of the most important directors in Middle East. And from the rest of world, I love Dardenne brothers. I love Lars von Trier. And I think also for the cinematography, the Portuguese filmmaker Pedro Costa. Because I love his way, all his films about the migrants in Portugal, and always he make the films looky and this kind of color grading, because it's very fit with this world. So I inspired by this filmmaker.